Okay, let me check my account for the 100th time today. Wow, it's all green, guys. Well, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Kim's here. In today's video, we're going to talk about some positive news. As you saw my last video, I predicted that this week was gonna be green, and guess what? It's green left and right, especially in the EV market. So today we'll talk about how Tesla is being added to the S&P 500 and when that happened. We'll also talk about some more positive news with Li Auto and XPENG and how bank analysts are upgrading their target price even more now. And lastly, we'll talk about the preview of NIO Q3 2020 earnings because it's happening tomorrow after the market close. Do you guys remember earlier this year at the end of August and beginning of September, the news broke out that Tesla was not going to be included in the S&P 500, and at that time, during that week, that first week of September, Tesla stock dropped 33.74% from its all-time high of $502 to $330. Since then, Tesla has not been recovering to its all-time high. It's been trading sideways for a while now, for the past 2-3 months. But today the news broke out finally that Tesla will be added to the S&P 500 this year on December 21st. I think this week or next week, Tesla will be hitting their 52 weeks highs again and will most likely cross over the $500 a share mark. And another thing I want to talk about is, I think because of Tesla, had a great run up this year, since the pandemic happened. Tesla defied all the odds and, broke the delivery records. And then from there, it creates this momentum of the EV market. That's why NIO, XPENG, and Li Auto had great run up so far this year. So I think we should thank Tesla. Because of Tesla's stock going up so high this year, it creates the momentum. And it also brought up the 3 Chinese EV stocks up as well. Next, let's talk about XPENG and Li Auto. And today, both of these companies got the target price upgrade by Jeff Chung. I'll leave a screenshot here so you can see the new price target. Anyways, can some of you who have money invested in Li Auto and tell me why it's going up so much? Personally, I don't really see anything really special or anything that stood out to me with Li Auto. But hey, if you do have money in there, congrats, you took the risk and now Li Auto is doing really well. But be cautious with Li Auto. So I feel like it's reaching to the point where it's hitting the bubble territory. But let's take a look at XPENG. Today, it started out pretty slow. It went down a little bit and it went up. By the time the market closed, XPENG went up 5%. And then after hours, it went up another 6%. So today, XPENG went up almost 11%. NIO didn't do that well because another analyst downgraded NIO. Again, I'll leave a screenshot here so you guys can read about it. But overall, I'm still glad that NIO is up. And I guess due to the fact that CalPERS picked NIO and added to their pension fund. That's the video I covered yesterday. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. But NIO today, before the market close, went up 2.29%, and then after hours, it picked up another 4.43%. And currently, it is at $47.60, and it's getting close to $50 already. Remember, my last video, I predicted that NIO could hit $50 by the end of the week. And if you take a look at the preview of NIO Q3 earnings for 2020, EPS estimate is about -17 cents, representing a 48.5% growth year over year. And the consensus revenue estimate is $616.28 million, representing a 139.8% growth year over year. So NIO has been growing their revenue year over year due to the fact that NIO has, record deliveries quarter over quarter. It goes to show that there are huge demand in the EV market, not just in the car, but in the stock itself. Because every time NIO dip, whenever there's a sell-off, people come back rushing in and buy in more NIO share. And of course, NIO stock shot up after. But this week, because of this surge, of this hype, you know, there's the fear of missing out is real, right? I'm sure that a lot of people will try to get in NIO again, therefore pushing NIO price up. So after the earning calls, I expect NIO to go past $50 a share. But over the next couple weeks, I believe there will be another dip. And for my long-term investors, you better load up on your cash and buy NIO on the dip, because that's what I'm planning to do. Currently, I am still standing by my prediction that NIO will still hit $60 a share before 2021. But the thing is, I believe there will be another dip coming after the earning calls. So in the next couple weeks, there will be another dip, in my opinion. Again, that's just my prediction, and use this video as an entertainment purpose only, not financial advice. You know, invest money at your own risk. And for those of you who trying to make quick profit, buy and sell these EV stocks like NIO, Li Auto, or XPENG, remember, every time you sell your stock and make profit, all the profit will be considered as your income. So you have to pay taxes based on your income tax bracket. Whereas if you're a long-term investor, or you hold those stocks at least a minimum of 1 year, you only have to pay the capital tax gain, which is on average about 15%. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this update. And if you do, remember to drop a like on this video. And remember, if you're new, subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And I will see you in my next video.